Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening, my dear first year and second year students. How are you? I hope you are quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now you are in the online, but extremely sorry, our class is delayed for the cause of electricity problem. You know very well, electricity problem is the vital problem of online class, and that is why I delay sometimes. Anyway, today I want to give a message to you. You know, the message is very important for you. Hearing this message, you will be pleased. The ruling government tries their utmost to complete your syllabus, has taken a historical and precautionary, revolutionary steps to complete your syllabus. I mean, as a compensation of pandemic, the founder and the maker and the standard of education, the versatile genius Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has started online class for completing your syllabus, and online class will be successful when you connect with us. Since your connectivity, our online class will be absurd. That is why in the next classes, in the next online classes, you will try your best to connect with us, and only then I will be benefited. Anyway, in the previous classes, I taught you in first year the orientation class, and in the second year I delivered the free handwriting. Today I want to discuss your second paper. Perhaps you know the total courses of your second paper, the marks distribution. Number 1, article, use of article. Number 2, the use of preposition. And number 3, words and phrases. Number 4, completing sentences. Number 5, right form of verbs. Number 6, the transformation. And number 7, the narration. Number 8, use of clear and unclear pronoun. Number 9, modifier. And number 10, the connectors, linking, that means linking words. And number 9, number 9 modifier, and number 10 connectors, and number 11 synonyms and antonyms, and number 12 is punctuation marks. From that items, I mean article, preposition, word phrase, the word phrase, completing sentences, punctuation marks, and pronoun are very easiest among the items. From the item, I want to discuss the tougher item, that are transformation and right form of verbs and modifier and narration. From that, I want to discuss today, I want to discuss transformation. It is a very vital item and it is very important for you, and some technical technical factors and technical answer you find in the transformation item. Transformation items are, in transformation item you find voice signs, you find 5 sentences, transformation of 5 sentences, you find degree, you find 3 sentences, simple, complex and compound. These 3 sentences are very important for you, because it has a technique, and the techniques are displayed in this way. When you transfer simple to complex or complex to simple, then you have to know the background of the complex compound, simple complex compound. I address my dear students, Zahana Raiti. I mean you connect with me, very carefully listen what I say. At first we have to know the clause. What do you mean by clause? In a word, how to know the clause? Very simply, in a clause, this is the precondition of a clause, one finite verb, sense finite verb. You cannot imagine a clause. And how to demarcate the clause? When you find one conjunction, you can say 2 clauses. When you find 2 conjunction, you can take 3 clauses. When you find 3 conjunction, you can take 4 clauses. In this way, when you find more conjunction and you have to count the clauses. But remember it, one finite is the precondition of a clause. And here another important thing you have to follow, clauses are classified into three types: noun clause, principal clause, adjective principal clause, subordinate clause and coordinate clause. Subordinate clause is classified into three types: noun clause, adjective clause and adverbial clause. Here you have to notice that principal clause and subordinate clause are combinedly made complex sentence, and some coordinate clauses made compound sentence. You have to follow and look at the blackboard. Noun clause is used as a subject, object of preposition, complement and apposition. How is it? Look at the blackboard. Noun clause, as a subject, as a subject, as a object, as a object of preposition, complement and apposition. Here we can cite an example as a noun clause is used as a subject, that the earth is round is known to all. Noun clause. Look at the blackboard. Noun clause is used as subject, but how is it? That the earth is round is subject, is known to all is verb and extension. I know that he is honest. This is object. Noun clause is used here as a object. Subject, noun clause as a object. Again, noun clause used as a object of complement. He asked me. Where he went. He asked me where he had. He asked me where I went. Here, this is the object, this is the complement of object, complement of object. Object of preposition, how is it? Our future. Depends on how we work. Here, object of preposition. Another example, the news that he will resign the post is false. Apposition. Actually, here we find the 5 examples of noun clause. How to use noun clause in various stages. At the beginning, I cite an example that is that the earth is round is known to all. That the earth is round is subject, as a noun clause is used as a subject, and then I know that he is honest. That is the object. Noun clause is used as an object. Next, he asked me where I went. This is the complement of object, and our future depends on how we work. This is the object of preposition. And the last example, the news that he will resign the post is false. Here, the news is false. This is the main sentence, but this is the subordinate clause. That is used as a apposition. This is very important for you. This is the example of a noun clause, but next we want to know as a adjective clause. Adjective clause. Here we want to say a noun clause is connected with that and another WS, and adjective clause qualifies the noun and pronoun of the principal clause. But how is it?